These are Spy Logan frames, and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace both lenses. First step in removing the lens is to take one hand and pull outward on the top portion of the frame while pushing downward on the inside of the lens itself, like so. Again, you're going to pull out and push down. Now, next step in replacing or reinstalling your lenses is to take the far side of the lens and place it into the grooves on the far side of your frame. You just line up the frame with the lens, slide it in, and press the others into place. There should be a loud pop to indicate that it is secure. Again, far side into the far side, line it up, slide, and push. And you're done.